The next topic is plastic and environment. So the whether the plastic we use, we are totally dependent on the plastic. So the plastic we use is environmental friendly or not? Let us find out. So in the nature there are two types of substances. Number one is biodegradable and the second one are non-biodegradable. There are two types of substances in the nature: biodegradable substances and non-biodegradable substances. So the substances which can decompose easily by natural processes like action of decomposers, like we see all the things get into the soil, so decomposers act on it, so which can be easily converted in which can be easily decomposed by the decomposers are called biodegradable substances. Whereas non-biodegradable substances are which cannot be easily decomposed by the natural processes. They take millions of years to decompose. Those substances are called non-biodegradable substances. The substances which cannot get decomposed easily are by natural processes are called non-biodegradable substances. Example: plastics, tin cans, metallic substances, etc. Whereas the examples of biodegradable substances are paper, peels of vegetables and fruits, wood, etc. So plastic comes under the category of non-biodegradable substances. So as it is a non-biodegradable substance, so it causes environmental pollution. Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance, so it causes environmental pollution. You have seen that government has made many measures that we should not use plastic bag, polythene bags. Why? Because plastic is damaging the nature. It do not get decomposed easily. So we should reduce the use of plastic and dispose it properly. You can see in the table there are different time givens for the different substances. You can see if we talk about peel of vegetables and fruits, so they take 1 to 2 weeks for decomposition, and it is a biodegradable substance. If we talk about cotton clothes, it takes 2 to 5 months. It is also a biodegradable substance. If we talk about plastic bags, see, it is written several years. It is a non-biodegradable substance. If we say tin, aluminium and other metal cans, they take 100 to 500 years for decomposition. So it is also non-biodegradable substance. So that is why the use of plastic should be reduced to save the environment.